Hi, I'm Dr. Chris. I'm a practicing chiropractor. I'm the founder of Muscle Care. I see 55,000 patient visits a year in my practice. We understand pain. If you or anybody you know have frozen shoulder, I strongly encourage you to give them this mini series of stretches. It will help them tremendously. The Super 6 rules to stretch are: warm up, be gentle, no sharp pain, breathe, always do both sides, don't bounce, and always hold for at least 30 seconds or until you feel the muscle relax. Now that we're warmed up, let's get some relief from that frozen shoulder. For an effective side of neck stretch, let's keep the feet shoulder width apart. The pelvis is square to the ground and your hips are right under your shoulders. Your ears are over top of your shoulders. And all you're gonna do is keep your nose straight ahead and tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Do not let your nose point down. The nose stays straight ahead. You're trying to get 45 degrees, and remember your Super 6 rules. You're gonna do the other side the same way. For the back of neck stretch, stand, feet shoulder width apart, pelvis square, slight pelvic tilt if you'd like, shoulders over the hips, ears over the shoulders. And now, in order to get the back neck muscles, what you'll do is simply rotate your face to the right, keeping the jaw parallel to the ground. And again, go to comfort. If there's any sharp end feel, back it off a little bit. If you feel dizzy, back it off and do less. Go into your side stretch, ear to shoulder. Do not let the nose tilt down. Keep it straight ahead. And then rotate the nose up to the left. You'll stretch the front of the left side of the neck. If you want more, hold your arms behind you for more stretch of the connective tissue of the front of the neck and the anterior chest wall or the front of chest. Do the same on the other side. For the front of chest stretch, your right arm should be perpendicular, parallel to the ground, and you would actually try to hook your hand onto a wall for support. And if you can extend your fingers backward in order to open up the fascia and connective tissue of the forearm and the hand, you'll get a much better stretch all the way up the arm, all the way through the chest. But remember, what you want to do is feet are planted square on the ground, and you rotate your body away from the side you're stretching. That includes your neck. So if your right hand's on the wall, you'll turn your face and your torso to the left. Okay, do the same thing on the other side for balance. Now, reach around out front. Put the left hand on the back of the right one and push away from you, but do not round out. Stay straight. Open those muscles up in the upper back. Stretch them. Keep the head straight, ears over shoulder. 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat that 5 to 10 times. For the tricep stretch, it's really important that you stand with your feet shoulder width apart and you keep the ears over the shoulders, shoulders over the hip. The right arm reaches up, bends to 90 degrees over the back of the head. Still keep the head up. Many people want to drop the head forward. That's not what we want to do. Reach up with the left arm, grab the right elbow, and pull to the side, okay? Pull over to the left side. Stretch the armpit and the back of the tricep on the right side. And if you lean more to the left, you get more latissimus and tricep stretching at the same time. Make sure you do both sides. This particular rotator cuff stretches on both sides. We start by getting our arms parallel to the ground. Okay, our upper arms or humerus parallel to the ground, elbows bent to 90 degrees. Try to get your hands back, and then you rotate forward, keeping the arms parallel to the ground. Do that stretch for 30 seconds, and then repeat it again. This is the anterior shoulder reach stretch. This one's great for people that have had rotator cuff chest injuries or even frozen shoulder. Just walk the fingers up the wall. Get comfortable wherever you are without sharp pain and just leave it there. Breathe gently through that position and then slowly but surely go further into the stretch. This will definitely improve comfort, confidence, and range of motion within those muscles that have been traumatized. The full body stretch. Let's stand, feet shoulder width apart, pelvis square, shoulders over pelvis, ears over shoulder, arms up in the air, straight up in the air to the sides of our ears. They don't lean forward, they don't lean back, and they reach up. We hold that, we deep breathe, and then if we really want more stretch, we go up on our tippy toes and try to reach the sky. You feeling better? I knew you would. Listen, why don't you continue your pain-free journey by clicking the link in the description below and access my full stretching series and share the relief of pain and stress with friends and family. And you know what? If you really want to feel even better, why don't you try this? Muscle Care is the new subtopical, all-natural, evidence-based pain, spasm, and inflammation reliever. You're going to love it. It's easy to use, simple to put on, no mess, no fuss. It's a roll-on. I'm Dr. Chris, and have a great day.